Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. This is the real world. Accidents happen. You can't prevent damage from a hailstorm or a reckless driver sideswiping your parked car, but you can give yourself the security of knowing it will be caught on tape. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera, your roadside eyewitness.
Doesn't matter where we're going. This time The ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. And when the wild is calling, we'll take it all if we want it. We'll chase down every road just to see what's beyond it. This time is ours, and this is where we start. Right now, we know the ground we're standing